Good morning, students. Welcome to Information Technology online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. Today we are going to start part 4 of Unit 1 Digital Documentation Advanced, and the name of the part 4 is Create and Customize Table of Contents. Table of Content is also known as index. This feature helps to build an automated table of contents from the heading and subheadings in our document. For example, in our notebook, based on the chapter you are preparing index. In the first page, you are writing the first column serial number, next topic and page number, and then preparing a column for teacher signature. In the same way, today we are going to create a table of contents in document. For this, we can heading 1 for titles and 2 and 3 for subheadings. These are the topics which will cover today, theory as well as practical also. Let us see how to create the table of contents. So here you can see the some data here, generation of computer, first generation, and then technology used in the first generation, and then the second generation, and then technology used in the second generation. Like this, we have 5 generation of computer and technology used. So before creating a table of content, first we have to decide the top heading, subheading, and further subheading. First, we have to set default styles to the heading. We already learned how to set styles. If you don't know, watch the video of this chapter. First, here I am choosing the style of main heading generation of computer. This is I already setting style. I show that one. How can you choose the style? First, you got to select the heading. This is the main heading. So you got to select the heading and click this styles option. See here it will display heading 1 to heading 10 style will be displayed. These are the heading style. So I selected the generation of computer. Here I am choosing the heading style heading 1. And the next, now come to the second heading, first generation. Here I am choosing the first generation heading style is heading 2. So here heading 1 size is bigger than heading 2. Here I am choosing all the generation into heading 2 style. First generation, second generation, third, fourth, everything into heading. And then here we have the technology used subheading. So this into heading 3 style. I have done all the generation technology used in heading 3 style. Here we prepare the 3 heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. Let us see how to prepare index for this. First, you got to click the index tab and then choose the option index and tables. Indexes and tables. And then here further you have to choose the index and table option. See here, this is the insert index table dialog box. So now it has 5 tabs. The first tab is index and table. This one. And then in the first box you have to give the name, give the title of your heading. If you want to give any heading, you have to give for example table of content or index. You have to give any name in the title box. Suppose I give only the table of content I given. Next you got to choose the type. Which type you want. Yes, have so many type: table of content, alphabetical order, alphabetical index, illustration index, index of table, user defined, etc. These are the types of index. So here I am choosing table of content. Next, see, one option is display protected against manual changes. If you click this box, the tick mark will be display. If you want to make any changes in index, we can make this option disable. If it is enabled, we cannot make any changes in index. And the next option, next create index for entire table or chapter. Here I'm clicking entire document because I'm choosing I'm going to create index for entire document. Next, evaluate up to level. Here you have to specify how many headings. In my document I have 3 headings. So here I am choosing 3. Maximum 10 level will be displayed. So in my document, I have only 3 headings only. That's why I am choosing 3. And the next option is create from. Create from, this is the default format of index, outline, additional style, index. These are you can choose any type. Here I am, this is the outline and index mark is the default format of index. That's using this one. So finally, click the OK button. So now see here, index will be displayed. See the, I given the index name as table of content. This is the main heading generation of computer, and the next is the first generation, and the third heading is the technology used. This is the way you have to create the table of content. Next topic, customize the table of content. Customize means you can change the table of content. This is already created table of content. Now I want to change again. Let us see how to edit this table of content. You have to right click the table. It shows so many options. Here you have to choose edit or index table option. So here you have to click the background tab. I am going to change the background of this index. Here it will display so many colors will be displayed. Here I am choosing the green color. And then click the OK option. Let us see the background of table will be green color. See here. So now see this table display in one column. If you want to display into 2, 3 or 4 column also possible. So right click the table again. Click the edit and index option and choose the column tab. And then here you got to choose the how many column you want. Suppose I am choosing the 2 and then click the OK button now. See here the table of content divided into 2 columns here. This is the first column. This is the second column. And then again I go to the edit and index table. See here next one is the style tab. It will show the paragraph style and text style. You can choose any style here. So this is the level style. This is the paragraph style. You can choose any style and click OK option. And the next one, we can set the hyperlink also possible. What is mean by hyperlink? A hyperlink is an element that links to either another portion of the document or to another. Let us see how can we set hyperlink. First right click the document, index, and click the edit and index table and choose the entities tab. See here it will display the level. This is the structure. This is E hash denote the chapter number, and the next one is the entry refers the heading, and the next one is T is refers the tab stuff. Is before the page number the dot line will be displayed. That is the tab stuff, and the next is the page number. For here I am going to set the hyperlink now. So for example, here I am going to set like this. If I am clicking the first generation heading, in the index, the link will go to the first generation content. If I am clicking the second generation heading in the index, the link will go to the second generation content. The same way I am going to set hyperlink to all the generation. Let us see how to set hyperlink. First you have to choose the level. So we have the different level. So first generation main heading, subheading and further subheading. So generation first, second, third, fourth, fifth generation and the level 2. So you got to choose the level first. And then you got to click this white color box before the entry. So this is the entry. So here you got to click before the box. Here first you got to select this entry and then click this option. After that, click the hyperlink option is denote the starting of the, see the ls means starting of the hyperlink. And the next again click the after the entry, this is the entry, this after the entry you have to click it here, and then again click the hyperlink, it will come le means that is the ending of the hyperlink. So the entry means that is a heading. So when you are click the first generation, it's automatically move to the first generation content. Same way if you are clicking the any generation heading is according to the generation it will move to the generation content. And then let us see in the table of content. See here, now click the OK option. So now see here, under the each generation a line will be appear, under the each generation a line will be appear here. So this is the hyperlink. Just move up text. See here, one message will be displayed. Control plus click to open. So I am clicking control key and clicking there. See now see is going to the first generation. Same way I am going to click the fifth generation. See here. See here I am clicking the fifth generation, and now see here is automatically go to the fifth generation. This is the way you can say hyperlink to the index. So okay students, clear this thing. And finally if you want to delete the index, right click the, suppose you want to delete the index, me just right click the index and click the deleted index option. Now see the index will be deleted, only the content only display. And last topic is apply character style and maintain a table of content. We can apply character style and we can three option in maintaining a table of content, that is update, edit and delete. Using this we can edit or modify the content. These are coming under the topic of maintaining a table of content. Okay student, this is the way to create and customize the table of contents. Thank you.